Female plum-headed parakeet. The female plum-headed parakeet is a beautiful bird native to the Indian subcontinent, distinguished by her unique and more subtle coloration compared to the male. Unlike the vibrant plum-colored head of the male, the female's head is a soft bluish-gray shade. This coloration provides a delicate and graceful contrast to her bright green body. Her overall appearance is slightly more subdued, lacking the vividness of the male, but she retains the signature long tail feathers, which are tinged blue and yellow, creating a sleek, elegant look. Female plum-headed parakeets are known for their calm and gentle nature, often forming strong bonds with their mates. These birds usually live in flocks, but can also be seen in pairs during the breeding season. The females are quieter than the males and generally less aggressive, but they are highly social and playful. They enjoy perching on tree branches, preening their feathers, and foraging for food, which typically includes seeds, fruits, and blossoms. Breeding is an essential aspect of the female plum-headed parakeet's life, with both partners participating in nest building and caring for their young. The female typically lays between 4 and 6 eggs in tree cavities or nest boxes, and after an incubation period of about 3 weeks the chicks hatch. During this time, the female stays in the nest to keep the eggs warm, while the male brings food to her and the chicks. The strong parental bond and cooperative effort ensure the survival of their offspring. In the wild, female plum-headed parakeets are commonly found in forests, gardens, and wooded areas. Despite their slightly muted appearance, they are highly adaptable birds, thriving in both natural and urban environments. Their social behavior, combined with their striking yet understated beauty, makes them fascinating members of the parrot family, cherished by bird enthusiasts and admired for their grace and companionship.